This is a short recording on how to use the StarTurn Invoicing. First thing to do, click on the pound sign, process all bookings up to this date or process bookings between these dates. The choice is yours. Then click scan, click next. If you want to minimize the axe, just click on that, bring the axe back, click on that. In normal circumstances you'd have agents and clients as well in here, but we're only doing a short run as a demo. We click next and then we click generate. That generates all the invoices and tells you that it's marked the bookings off so they won't be invoiced again. We click finish. That brings up the invoicing. We select the invoice we want, so we want the business account, and we can select which batch we want from here. This is the only batch I've done, so we just generate the report. You now have the invoices which you can print or you can export by choosing either the export button here or the print button here.